everyone. It's John Link at Apache Village RV Center, coming at you from beautiful Hazelwood, Missouri. We are the #1 Jayco fifth wheel dealer in the country. I have a big surprise for you here. This is a brand new 2026 Jayco Seismic 395 behind us. Not going to do a huge deep dive walkthrough because we've done a few videos on this unit already because we love it. So do our customers who are getting their walkthrough right now with our technicians. This one's literally going out today. We have everything all opened up. I thought, what better opportunity we have than to show you all these new upgrades on this. Now, we have a sale I want to mention too. So running through August 16th, we have our Stars and Stripes savings event. Everything on our lot is discounted up to $5,000 on some of our larger items, and all the way down to our single axle travel trailers as well. We've got a break from the weather. It's not 110 degrees out here or what felt like it. It is a beautiful 80 degrees and sunshine today. So stop on by, whether it's today, tomorrow, next week. We still have that sale running through August 16th. My family and I would love to earn your business. But without further ado, let me run through a couple of the quick upgrades that we're going to see and enhancements that we see on this unit for 2026. Stay tuned. Just looking at it, right away you can see that we have a new graphics kit. New front cap design as well. Totally different color scheme. Moving right along. These new black rims, 17.5 inch Cooper tires. These are 16 ply. Really good looking setup. Right in front of our MorRyde suspension, the CRE 3000 suspension system. Look at these tires, they are absolute beasts. But I'm just loving what we've done here with the entire new graphics kit. Very, very sharp looking. Another quick upgrade we have on the back door here. They have some beefed up assist springs, make it a little lighter to put the door down, but we also have a new latching system. If you look here, this turns in, and then when you clamp this down, it grabs inside the frame instead of those big old long bars we had that were a lot heavier. I think that's going to be a nice upgrade as well. Moving on to the entry door. Actually, let me show you one more thing here real quick. So I've mentioned these generators that we have now, the NPS generator. All 3 ACs on this unit are equipped with soft start, so we can run on a 6,000 watt inverter generator, 3 air conditioners with no problem. Love to see that. This NPS, I've tested this NPS out in the wild at a motocross race, and I thought it was extremely fuel efficient. It's very quiet. I just had my customer Ed over here, who's picking up his unit from service, mention how small it is as well. You know, they don't take up quite as much space as the old Onins we had in here. I think those are a really, really, really nice upgrade. Been very impressed with them so far. Moving along to the interior, actually, let me show you one thing real quick. The 395 Seismic now has a bed slide out, which I'll obviously show you from the interior, but that's a welcomed addition. We used to have to kind of look at the 395 versus the 399. If you wanted the bed slide out, you kind of had to choose between the floor plans. Well, now in the 395, you can get that bed slide out and not have to choose between a different floor plan. New door handle. These doors, very, very easy to open with that long LCI Lippert door handle. So moving on to the interior here, you can see overall things have stayed the same. A little bit different color with the cabinetry. It's not the bright white anymore. It's a little bit darker shade. I really like how that has come together. We now have a different MB Court head unit here. So if you look right here, this is a touch screen. I have it set to the radio right now on Real Rock Radio KC95. So you can select radio, music, photos. If you have photos uploaded, you can Bluetooth to it. You can check your backup camera, videos, your settings, aux in, AV in. You can link your phone to this, dim the display, turn the display off completely. Just to reactivate, you just touch the screen. You can also adjust our equalizer here. Looks like we have the bass all jacked up on the inside speakers. Thanks, Lance. Hit the home screen, and here you are, right back to where we started. Now, right where I'm sitting, look up there. We used to have the loft facing the living room, which I received feedback from customers over and over and over about, asking if we could wall that off and have that face into the garage. Well, Jayco listens to their customers and went ahead and did that for us, which is a massive upgrade. I love this. You know, to be totally honest, I've never truly understood why it did face the other way into the living room. You know, if you have all the kids back here or whoever, your guests sleeping in what can be sort of used as your guest bedroom, mother-in-law's suite, so to speak, we can now have whoever's sleeping up here, the extra guest, joining the guests in here. New plastic folding table right here, so you can use that. This goes all the way up to the ceiling. On this unit, we've had a third AC added. And then right here is our new feature for the half bath. I know we just ordered 8 more of these and got them all with half baths, because now you can retract this wall. Bear with me while I do this one-handed. Retract that wall and get it out of the way. And then when you want to use the bathroom, it simply latches right here. And we have our restroom back again. Really thoughtful design here. So you have all that garage space if you want it, or if you want to see the half bath, or use the half bath rather, you pop that wall out and there you go. So when you're traveling, you have all your toys in here, pop that against the wall, strap it here, and you're ready to hit the road. Still have a separate thermostat and a 5th camera if you want it, or sorry, 4th camera rather, if you want it in here to watch your toys. But I just think this whole design is much improved. Really cool to have this all kind of consolidated into the garage area. Now moving up here, let me show you our new slide out. Take a look at the bathroom, not a ton of changes here. Color of the cabinetry. But here's our bed slide out. This is a totally redesigned and set up bedroom than what we had last year. Once again, the cabinetry color has changed in the bedroom as well. But you get so much more floor space and a ton more space in the front closet when we have that bed slide out. So just another step in the direction of these toy haulers becoming more of a residential style layout and having a lot more space than what we're used to in the past. Your washer dryer goes up here, no problem. You can put a full stackable washer dryer. See the prep right there. It's just really nice. One other thing I missed on the outside, I forgot to mention too. So we've upgraded our fiberglass, and you're able to get full body paint on the Seismic now. There's, I believe, 5 different colors to choose from. But if you look, there's more of a glossy finish here on the fiberglass. If you go online and check out the Jayco website, there are 5 different colors. It's either 5 or 4, I think it's 5. But you can get the full body paint that you'd have on our North Point or Pinnacle. It is outsourced by Jayco to a paint shop, but it's Sickens paint that goes on these units. It's very, very, very nice. And you can kind of customize this to however you want it to look. We also have the Overlander 2 solar system, which I can't see because our beautiful giant awning's out, but there's, there you go. You can kind of see the corner of the panel right there where the awning meets the roof. That is now standard. So we have the Overlander 2 system standard on all of these. All right, I had to take a little break because our customers just showed up to pick this up and they're going through our walkthrough right now, but I wanted to show you one more thing in the bathroom. Check this out. This is pretty ingenious here. So here is your bathroom sink. Pop this out, you can turn on the water, wash your hands, flip this right back up, and as you can see, there's like a little drain spout kinda. Drains right into your gray tank. Pretty nice. Really neat setup that Jayco came up with here. And they love it too. I just showed it to the customers. They're seeing it for the first time. They sort of ordered this floor plan without seeing it in its entirety because they love the 2025 $395, and then just got to see this for the first time with me and Devin, our technician. And yeah, they're in love. So they're doing their walkthrough right now and getting all that started. Just to show you a little sneak peek too of how we do it here at Apache Village. Why not while we're at it? This is our PDI lot. So if you ever buy a new unit from us or used unit, whatever it might be, you can see these units set up here ready to go today as well. You're going to get a walkthrough from our technician. Right now, Devin's showing them the generator.
1 hour with load, 1 hour without load every month. Okay. So basically, you'll turn it on, just leave it on for an hour, then turn the AC.
So what he's discussing is generator maintenance, telling them they should be running it, you know, at least once a month under a load. People have the misconception that not using your generator is preserving it in some way, shape, or form. It's just like anything else. If you let a lawnmower sit for a year or two, you're probably going to have some trouble starting it up the next time you use it. So use your generator. It keeps things fresh, makes sure that fuel pump's working correctly, stops your carb from getting varnished or anything like that. just stay up on your oil changes. You want to make sure you're putting hours on your generator so it doesn't start to literally decompose. You can start to have dry rotted fuel lines and everything else too. So use your generators, folks. Little tip from the pros here at Apache Village. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We are the biggest Jayco fifth wheel dealer in the country. We'd love to earn your business here at Apache Village. And hey, go one better, go Apache Village. Have a great day.